So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HFCL share. So today the stock has given a very good reversal from the support levels. So previously when you have done the complete technical analysis near the 72 rupees level, I have clearly mentioned all the supports and resistances. So today despite the market fall, the stock has given almost 10% positive movement. So now we'll try to update the levels. So we will try to see what are the next immediate targets that can be observed. So if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by technical charts. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so before moving towards the technical chart, so first we'll try to discuss the day-to-day wise deliveries. So in the last 3 sessions, clearly we can observe the delivery percentage in HFCL was significantly increasing, and even the stock was moving in a little sideways manner. So almost 1.1% downfall was seen on Friday session. So today a very good opening followed by, so opening was completely normal. It was not any gap up opening. So but in the later sessions the stock immediately started gaining little bit of buying volume, and we have seen 10% positive movement. Okay, so now let's go to the technical charts, so both on weekly chart and daily chart. So we'll try to find out the next possible levels. Okay, so first we'll try to do the complete analysis on weekly chart time frame. So once you see the weekly chart, clearly you can see the stock was taking a very good support near the 69 rupees level. So it was not coming below that. So whenever it was approaching that particular zone, we have seen some very good reversal. So the next immediate resistance the stock is facing is somewhere around 79 rupees level. So closing above that 79 rupees level is going to be very important. So today closing is somewhere around 78.30. So once it does the closing above 79, so the first target is somewhere around 86 rupees, and then we have 90 plus rupees as the upcoming targets. So first major thing is closing above 79, and then we can expect 86 followed by 90 plus in the coming session. So these levels are very important. So make sure you're watching them very clearly. So this is weekly chart. So let's even try to discuss in daily chart. Okay, so if we try to observe the daily chart, so in daily chart the stock was taking the support of the 50-day exponential moving average. So the support was also at the same level, and 50-day exponential moving average was also at the same level. So I have mentioned this in Telegram group also, so do join the Telegram so that you will not miss these type of updates. So as I told, exactly 79.4 is the next resistance, and earlier also when it was approaching that 79 zone, we used to see little bit of retracement. So now if it crosses that, 86 followed by 90 plus can be easily achieved. So trade cautiously. So market is in little bit of downside trend. So try to identify some best quality stocks. So whatever we have discussed, especially on Sunday session, also we have discussed few stocks. So try to buy a small portion, do your own analysis and invest accordingly. And any further doubts you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.